Hi, everybody. So in this FRQ prep question, we're going to be practicing comparative advantage in trade. And this one comes from the 2016 macro test. So it says the table above shows the number of donuts or cupcakes that John and Erica can make in a day. Who has absolute advantage in making donuts? Explain. So be very careful. If you see the word explain, it means you have to give a reason. If you don't give a reason, you don't get credit. So A, who can make more donuts? 200 or 150? Well, 200 is bigger, so John. John, and our answer can just be because 200 is bigger than 150. Okay, question B, who has comparative advantage in donuts? Explain. Now, for this one, it's easiest if your explanation is what their opportunity costs are. So let's go ahead and solve those. One donut, and I'm just going to write 1D, and we're going to do outside number 100 over the inside number. So 100 over 200 is 1/2 of a cupcake, and then 50 over 150 is 1/3 of a cupcake. So we would say Erica has it in donuts here, and it's because 1/3 is smaller than 1/2. So you're looking for the lower opportunity cost when we're saying what's comparative advantage? It's having the lower opportunity cost. Okay, so C says assume they specialize according to their comparative advantages and that one cupcake is exchanged for 4 donuts. Okay, one cupcake for 4 donuts. Now, in order to do this, this is going to say, is it good for John? Is it good for Erica? And so we're going to flip these here, and we're going to say 1 cupcake is equal to 200 over 100. That's 2 donuts. And here is 3 donuts. It'd be nice if I could write 3 donuts. So we obviously know that John has comparative advantage in cupcakes because Erica has it in donuts and you can't have it for both. But this allows us to see that their range of acceptable trades is between 2 and 3. So if we think of a number line up here, right? Any number between 2 donuts and 3 donuts is good for both, right? Both. Now, this range that we're given is 1 cupcake for 4 donuts, 1C for 4 donuts. And so 4 donuts is over here. So that's going to be bad for one of the 2 parties. Now, which one is the key question? Now, well, who owns the 2 donut range, right? Well, that's John. This is John because he's making them. That's John's minimum price. And the 3 donuts is Erica's maximum price. So it exceeds Erica's maximum price. It's bad for her, but it's good for John. Good, bad. Or we can say not beneficial. And by the way, if you're asked to explain on an exam, you just make reference to those numbers. You say 4 is bigger than 3. Right? That's all you have to do. D says, assume that Erica discovers a new cupcake production technique that will increase her daily production of cupcakes only using a donuts on horizontal. Draw a PPC for Erica before and after. Okay, so this is for Erica. And so if donuts are down here, donuts, cupcakes, and it's for Erica, so we're going to just draw a line. A straight line is fine. And then Erica was 150 donuts and 50 cupcakes. So 150 and 50, and it says that she has a new cupcake production that affects her daily production of cupcakes only. So we're going to shift the line up to some new value. And you can just say, 75 or something bigger than 50. You cannot have this change, right? And so it just needs to go whoop, just like that. That's it. Hopefully this helps you. I'll see you next time.